Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a requested video, and I can say that with more than one person who has requested it. Yay! In my makeup inventory, I asked you guys if you wanted to see how I kept my makeup, where I kept my makeup, and in general a tour of my beauty room. So today is a decently sunny day. It's winter, so sun will never really happen in the Netherlands, and it's kind of angled, so there's not a lot of sun coming into the room, but I thought better now than never. I had just cleaned up, and after the declutter I also reshuffled a little bit of my storage. I put a lot of my storage away because I didn't need it. So I am quite happy with the situation that we have right now in this room. There are actually empty spots, empty drawers, and I feel very good about myself. What I feel less good about is the pile of decluttered makeup that you'll see next to me. But I hope to deal with that in the coming weeks, months time. So to give you a little bit of an idea, our house, we live in a typical Dutch house. They are one big building with many houses in between. Townhouse, we would call it, probably. They call them houses in a row in the Netherlands. And it is on 3 different floors. You have the ground floor. On the first floor, you have the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. And then I have an attic with an extra office. That office upstairs is my husband's for his guitars and computer games and whatever. And I got one of the bedrooms, the second largest bedroom, and then one more bedroom has just a spare guest bed for when my family comes up to the Netherlands from Italy. So yeah, I knew I wanted a beauty room. I've had it also in the previous house we were renting, just because, yeah, it's just the 2 of us with 3 bedrooms. I can easily make one my studio, and he has his own office somewhere else. Small thing is that I get the one on the first floor closest to the bedroom and the bathroom, because this is also where I do my makeup every single day, and that also determines a little bit how I organize my makeup. So there's not a lot of storage of makeup. Like there's almost no makeup in there, because why would I, when I'm sitting here on my desk, go down there to get my makeup, to do my makeup? So also thanks to the decluttering and just in general paring down my collection, I don't have makeup very sparse around me, but I prefer to have everything really either under my eye, bad reference, but others where I can see it and pick it and be like stimulated to want to use it, or at reach of my hand when I do my makeup. So I think those were the FAQs, the frequently asked questions when people come over, other than laughing at the fact that I have a beauty room, because here in the Netherlands not many people are into beauty or makeup or have beauty rooms. I feel like maybe it's a little bit less than in the States, and among my friends, I'm, I guess, the only one, or one of the fewer ones, who is into makeup and beauty, and I think the only person I know who has a beauty room, or at least that I know in person. That said, I feel very lucky that I can do this at this stage of our lives. Why not? I also spend a lot of time in here filming for my YouTube channel. I also like it to be a bit pretty for photos and backgrounds and stuff like that. And it is overall a little bit different than the style of the rest of the house, and that is, not really conscious decision, but when we were choosing colors, every room in our house has a wall, an accent wall with a different color, and I knew that I wanted one in mint green. I love mint green. People make fun of me saying that I already know what my tombstone will look like, which is gonna be mint green with rose gold letters, and yeah, I love it, but it doesn't really fit with the rest of my aesthetics when it comes to a house for me and my husband, for having people over. It's a very girly color, I find, or a very young color, and the rest of the house is a little bit more mature. And here I feel like I can combine my more girly side and of course my general taste. You'll see the dark wood is something I really like. There's plants a little bit everywhere. But yeah, without further ado, let me turn you around and do a tour of my beauty room. Here we go, this is the entryway. The floor is the same as the rest of the top floor. And the first thing you see is my desk and my chair and the big window. I'm very lucky that this house has really big windows, and I love all the natural light that I can get in here. I also have my lights up there, and that's what I film. Usually you stand right on that little tripod. And this is a pan of this side of the room instead. My monstera, they are growing very happily in that corner. That's the holder that I used to actually start recording. And here is the first other thing that you don't usually see, which is my bookcase. Up here I just put some nice, I don't know, little pieces of art, prints or so. I have my photos. These are clippings. These are clippings from the plant that we have downstairs that just grow like crazy. And then here I keep a little bit of things like this Pixie presents, a few boxes of just, you know, old phones and old things. Here I have my old bullet journals back there, the Morphe Rainbow collection, the blush holder. Here I have all of my empty The Ordinary items, and you can see that I definitely love the brand. But here just some random items. And then here I have my nail polish collection. Here I have all of my Kale polish, some Kiko back there. This is my Essie collection, which continues here. And we have some more Nails Inc. and China Glaze and OPI. Who is a beauty blogger without the Bobbi Brown makeup manual? That was a classic. Further down, this is makeup storage that you've seen also previously in the declutter. I took out these drawers. This is where I keep my backups or items that I use more regularly. This is my bin for my hauls. Here everything goes in that is new, so then that I can show it to you during the hauls. Down here, my plush toy from when I was a kid, decluttered nail polishes, and but down here I have paperwork and just other junk. In there I have all of my gel nail polish stuff. We're now gonna turn around where we came from. This is the door where we came from, and here you have my tall Alex with a few little, I don't know, cute little things to decorate. And in this Alex, I have stationery right here and more here. I have my skincare minis that I take when traveling. I don't know, a bunch of stuff for friends that I need to take with me in my travels. Here I have hairbrushes and my favorite Shiseido cotton, my backup makeup remover. Here I have all the stuff that I need to press makeup and some backup stuff, like this is a old setting powder, just random things. Down here some more body and just hair extras, and just more. Here are empties, here are more travel stuff, and down here I have items I want to gift or give away. Right here next to me I have my empties bag, which is in this piece of furniture. And this is a piece of furniture I love a lot. It used to live in our bedroom, but now it doesn't fit anymore, so it is here. It's still quite big for this room, but I love it and I think it's a very pretty background. I have my silver ferns here. That is a vase from H&M that I saw on Lily Pebbles and then I bought. This is a print from Desenio that I bought. I have my perfume collection right here, and those are two cute salt and pepper from H&M. One of the lights I use to illuminate my background, and down here it's a little bit of a mess, but I have a giveaway box. I have some empty boxes that I use to ship things out, my printer, and that is a box with boxes of makeup. I don't know if you guys keep boxes of your favorite makeup items, but I do, some of them, not all of them. But they are in here. If I continue this way, this is a sleeping couch, sofa bed that pulls out to be a two-person's queen size bed. And yeah, my brother sleeps here when all of my family is here. And here I have the boxes of decluttered items that you can find on my Instagram. Up here I have my closet, spare closet. I keep my summer or winter clothes, seasonal clothes up there. And then in here I have more like cleaning stuff, my purses, just random things, to be honest, spare towels, spare cushions. This is just more storage. And then we reach the desk. I think the desk is what we were more interested in. Zooming in here, I always do my makeup watching YouTube in the morning. So this is my tablet, an old tablet that doesn't work if it's not connected to power. So I always watch YouTube on there, my bullet journal, my water bottle. Back here I have a lot of brushes, the ones that I do not use that are clean. I'm not super happy of the way these are out and how they get dusty, but I haven't found a better way to store them. Boom, down here, paper trash. And then here I have my single eyeshadow palettes, the Inglot ones with the names. These are my Makeup Geek. These are the ones I pressed myself. I have Nabla here and more stuff. Here I keep some pens. This is my daily makeup, so Fix Plus, my foundation, my primers, items of my project pan. I have back there some lip liners right there and eyeliners right there. This is the mirror that I use. Hello, this is me. And I prop it up on a little box. And then here I have some more face palettes and just in general palettes that I'm using at the moment. Often here you see what I have in my shop, my stash I put there. Here I have my brushes. I have two little eye brush holders and one face brush holders. It's dirty because I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, which is Sunday. Here is my lipstick tower, and here I have all of my lipsticks. After the declutter, look at how much space I have. There's space on top also. Here I have some more lipsticks, my lip glosses. And here, which I moved, I have all of my liquid lipsticks. I am happy that most of them fit in here. I have some in here, like the Fenty, just because it doesn't fit in the holder. So most of my liquid lipsticks fit in here. And then here I have some like more crazy colors that I don't use very often, but I still want at hand. And then here I have my eye singles and cream liner, cream shadows. And here I have my glitter shadows in here. And then we go into what is the real storage, which you see usually during my shop, my stash. So this is my Alex drawer. In the first one, I have my daily products and the stuff that I have that I use all the time. So my mascaras. Here I managed to fit all of my highlighters. Here I have bronzers, some blushes here as well, powders back here, extra stuff, and some new stuff back here. These are amazing. I just published a wear test and review of this guy. It's so good, so good. And in the next one, this used to be my blush and bronzer storage, but it's quite empty now. So I put my primers here, some more blushes and bronzers, and this used to be full and now it's not. I'm very happy about that. And back here I have empty palettes, another face palette. Then this one is my favorite drawer. This is my eyeshadow drawer, and these are all my palettes, my ColourPop singles. I have my Lethal Cosmetics singles in here, some more Nabla singles in here, and just in general eyeshadow palettes. Then we get to the messy ones. This one here has a scale for my project pan, brow color, makeup remover, wipes, Back there, there's tape. These are empty palettes and false lashes and spare sponges. And then down here I have everything I need to wash brushes and do my nails. So these are just things that I use to wash my brushes. And here are just some spare nail stuff that I don't have downstairs. I usually take my nail stuff downstairs because I do it on my couch while watching TV in the evening. But yeah, sometimes I just have extras in here. And that is that, you guys. That was the tour of my makeup room. As I said, less makeup than you can expect from a YouTuber, but I am very happy with the size of my collection right now. I'm gonna give you another pan or a light to how it looks. It could be prettier. I would love to get rid of this one because it's not really, I don't use all of the storage in here. It's quite empty, but and it's quite ugly, I find. It's very, I don't know, I wish I could find something else that did the same, but was a little bit prettier. And yeah, that is all. My apology if everything was a little bit shaky, but I hope you enjoyed a tour of my beauty room. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me anything else you would want to see or know about, and I'm happy to do so. And I'll see you in my next video.